If you're looking for a road trip adventure in Manitoba, this is the video for you. Follow along to check out all the different places that we visited on this adventure. We visited a total of 4 different locations on this day, and we started off with Pine Point Rapids. Are starting off with Pine Point Rapids. This is the most narrow section, I would say, where there's a lot of trees and leaves around you. So if you go through this area, just make sure you check your self-attacks after, which you should do after every hike. Oh, now there's a bridge. Here we go again. This is the first open area you will see while doing Pine Point Rapids, where you will be first meeting the White Shell River. Ticks are out, but so are we. Usually around this section is when you can go down by the rapids. That's why you will see a few trails that are going down there, but because it's spring season, the water level is really high, so it isn't ideal for us to go down there right now because there's nothing to walk on. But in the winter, definitely. Summer, I'm pretty sure it gets that good as well. So we're just gonna go a little bit closer to the rapids and see what we're doing here. If you didn't know, Canada is a country with the most amount of lakes in the world. Yeah. Here we go. Pine Point Rapids right there. cabin at the end where you can have a fire in the winter. All right, on our way back, we took the other route, which is also a cross-country skiing trail. So it's straight to the parking lot. A great way to go back because it's shaded. Also because there's a lot of clouds coming in. The forecast is calling for rain. Let's see if it's gonna rain before we get to our second location. Let's go. For the second location, I wanted to make sure that we're not doing a full hike, so we just ended up stopping at Blueberry Hill Trail. Alright, we're at our second location for this adventure. As you can see, the clouds are rolling in. It might start raining any moment now. Surprisingly, when we did the tick check after our first hike, we didn't find any ticks. A cabin on that island right there.
Oh, it looks so cool.
There's like two cabins there. Alright, we started hearing thunder around there somewhere, so we're gonna head back to our car before we get soaked and we have to climb all the way up there. For the third location as well, I wanted to make sure we're not losing a lot of daylight as it was already cloudy, so we just quickly checked out Whitemouth Falls. Here we are on our third location. We hear thunder in the background, so we have this game plan that as soon as it starts raining, we're gonna run back to our cars. This is just a location where you just stop by, check it out, have some good time, and then that's pretty much it. This is not a hike, just like how our second adventure wasn't a hike. But yeah, pretty adventure-packed day right here. Starting to rain, time to run back to our cars. The final location for this adventure day was the one that I was most excited about because I haven't been to this location before. This location is Bird River Canyon. We are on our next location. This is hike number 2. The other 2 locations that we stopped at, they weren't actually just hikes, they were just a attraction point to stop. So if you're counting it as attraction points, this is attraction number 4. But as a hike, this is hike number 2. Being a pretty well adventure-filled day, we got some clouds on top of us. Hopefully we don't get rained on. It's not too long of a hike, but we still don't want to get rained on, right? These rocks have been rained on recently, so it's really slippery. Trying our best. But we just started the hike and we can already hear the waterfalls in the end. There was also some fog or mist as soon as we started this hike, so it actually looks really nice right now. We're kind of lost as of right now in this trail because there's a quad trail and there's a hiking trail. There's right, left. I'm trying to track it from my All Trails app, but it's not giving me an accurate location and accurate place that I'm looking at. So we're gonna try to follow this quad trail. The quad trail is good, but what's not good is the rain. Recent rain just made this big ass mud and sticking to our shoes, making it weigh like 5 pounds more. It's really hard getting down in that point because it was so slippery with this this massive shoe. Now we have to go down this way, and we still don't know if we're going the right way. We see a swan all the way right there. Try to take a couple of pictures. Don't know if they came out good or not, but we will continue going. It's because the light is so low right now because of the clouds. Didn't have enough light to produce better pictures, but we'll see what we got. Harder than it looks not to slip in a location like this. Ah. Almost up there. Oh, it just kept going. I hope you guys were able to see how awesome Bird River Canyon was. It started raining a lot, so we quickly checked it out and started heading our way back. On the way back, we didn't get lost. We found the right way, but I'm glad we did get lost going there because we were able to find 2 more lookout points that were amazing. And also we rushed back because I thought my equipment would get wet, but then later we realized that I have a cover bag for my actual camera bag. So yeah, I know that now. But yeah, that was Bird River Canyon. It was absolutely amazing. I really want to come here again when it's not raining, but I kind of feel like the rain added something to it. I don't think it would have been as good as it was today with a full sun. I don't know if I put that the right way, but yeah, it was a great time. Great adventure day. Let's finish it off with that.